Normally we think of science and theatre as two opposites, but are these two topics really so different from each other? So we conducted a study on a group of 50 undergrad science students who were subjected to theatre workshops for 2 weeks. Now just after 2 weeks, psychoanalytic results showed that these students showed an increase in sensitivity, creativity and an increase in grasping their concepts better, ability to grasp their concepts better. So how did theatre help these science students grasp their concepts better? Here's how. So what happens is when we are studying daily, our brain slips into a monotonous mode where we are going over the same things again and again and again. Now when subjected to these theatre activities, our brain senses newness. And when saying a dialogue or acting out a scene or improvising, more of our senses are stimulated. Our brain increases its activity. So various centers in our brain are stimulated, and now these different centers work in unison and new connections are formed. Our brain thrives on these connections. I'll tell you, it is the temporal lobe where most of the stimulation by theatre occurs. The temporal lobe is also the place where most of our memory connections are formed. So basically what happens is when these centers are stimulated by theatre activities, these memory connections are also stimulated somewhere down the lane and our memory gets a boost. So what is actually happening is by keeping these centers stimulated, theatre activities are actually keeping the machinery of our brain oiled or well functioned, and that is how we are able to remember better. So this is how these science students were able to grasp their concepts better after 2 weeks of theatre workshop. So basically in my paper and in my research, what I am proposing is that I am seeing the effect of theatre as an educational model to boost creativity. So thank you.